Hi everyone, and welcome to Samepage, a collaboration and communication tool our Item Connect writers will be using. Let's start by exploring the homepage. Your homepage shows you your inbox, teams, and assigned tasks. On the right of the page, you can also view helpful tutorials and tips from the Samepage team. Select your icon on the bottom left. Here you'll be able to update your profile. You can change your picture, change your password, as well as update your chat settings and change the color. Check your inbox for any messages. If you're tagged in a specific message, this will show up in your inbox. In Teams, you will see all groups that you have been assigned to. You can scroll or use the search function to find a specific team. The items in every step are found here. The most important page is the document directory displayed here. This is where your work will get done. Use the chat function to communicate with others. Type @ plus their name to call attention to a specific person. The chat at the top of the team page, displayed here, goes to everyone on the team, but you can send private chats from the Chat tab or item-specific chats within item documents, such as this. These are the basics of Samepage. Feel free to contact ARDMSmobileapp at Inteleos.org or tag Liz or Leah in Samepage with any questions. Thank you and good luck.